Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to manage users in Zoho CRM so you can add team members, assign roles, and control access inside your CRM system easily. First, log in to your Zoho CRM account. From the dashboard, click the Setup icon in the top right corner. Next, go to the Users and Control section, then click Users to view all existing team members in your CRM. To add a new user, click Add User. Then enter their name, email address, and select their role in your organization. You can also assign profiles and permissions to control what each user can access, such as leads, contacts, deals, or reports. Once everything is set, click Save or Invite User. So the new user will receive an email invitation to join your Zoho CRM account. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully managed users in Zoho CRM. Now you can control access, organize your team, and keep your CRM secure and structured. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.